This beautiful arts and crafts house is for sale, located in Knutsford, England. It offers 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. A sympathetically restored Grade 2 listed arts and crafts house in the Legh Road Conservation Area in Knutsford. Set within landscaped gardens of just over 1.3 acres and offering around 7,000 square feet of accommodation. The property retains many original period features, including fireplaces, oak panelling, stained glass, leaded doors and mullioned windows, while being carefully modernised for contemporary living. The house provides 6 bedrooms, including a principal suite with dressing room and ensuite, a further ensuite guest bedroom, and additional bedrooms served by bathrooms and shower rooms, alongside several reception rooms, such as a large drawing room, sitting room, study, and dining room. A spacious extended kitchen, living and dining area with a contemporary glass garden room forms the heart of the home. Accessed through remote gates, the grounds include a courtyard with triple garaging, terraces, formal lawns, mature trees, 2 ponds, and lower garden cellars beneath the house. The asking price of this beautiful arts and crafts house is £3 million. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.